Here's Mike, and as you know, on Monday the markets just tanked. They went down. S&P down was 1.5%. So I want to talk about, does this really affect those hot stocks that have been running, anything from Apple to Tesla to Workhorse and all of that? If you can please like the video and go ahead and subscribe if you want daily updates on breaking news on stocks in the stock market. That would be awesome. It helps people discover this video. So let's get right into it. The S&P 500 fell 1.5% because it looks like there will be no stimulus between now and election day. So that happened. And also we have just some negative momentum in the market because we had this high at 357, and this next top at 352 was not able to beat the 357 high. So naturally, you're going to get this dip. However, we are still above the 50-day moving average on the S&P 500. I'm using the SPY ETF as a proxy. We're still about 1% above the 50-day high. So there is a possibility that we get a bounce back today. Even if we don't get the bounce back, I think the overall market is still going to be okay. We're going to be going into November, and that's going to be the Santa Claus rally. So we're most likely going to get a rally because there's just going to be a lot of people buying items for the holidays. So how is it going to affect stocks? Well, I actually think the good news is that you're getting pullbacks on really high quality stocks like Apple was down 2.5%. But the best news, I think, is getting a pullback in Tesla right before earnings. Usually, the thing that happens when you have a great company that's about to have earnings, you have a run up in the stock, and then the earnings are announced and the stock tanks. I think the opposite is true here. Look at Tesla for the past 5 days. It's really not been doing very well. So I think there's not going to be a lot of expectations around the earnings. And when you do get the Tesla earnings, which is after market close today, it could cause an unexpected pop because people are just not thinking about Tesla having great earnings. It's not going to be out in people's mind. What's going to be in people's minds is that the stock market is not doing well. So you could get some really surprising upside on Tesla after earnings are announced. And if Tesla can pop above the 500 level, its 52-week highs of 502, that could give Tesla some clear sailing up until the end of the year. So I will definitely keep an eye on Tesla. I think earnings could be a pleasant surprise. And then you want to take a look at Amazon. Amazon fell 2% too. This is another great opportunity. You're going into the holiday season. Everybody's going to buy stuff on Amazon. Amazon's going to be really aggressive with their pricing. They're going to be one of the big winners come the end of the year. They should definitely get a lot of sales and a lot of positive momentum. And I also talked about yesterday, Shopify is going to be another big mover. It was able to hold a little bit of gains, and also Etsy. So I would say, even though the market's tanking, look at the high quality stocks, your Apples, Tesla, Shopify, Etsy, Amazon. These stocks, they're being dragged down because the market's being dragged down. However, they will overall be great performers coming into the end of the year. So that's what I have on the market update for today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do breaking news on stocks in the stock markets every day. Okay, thank you. Bye.